Welcome back. Today's letter is to Tim Cook, who succeeded Steve Jobs as CEO of Apple. Dear Tim, under your leadership, Apple has emphasized privacy, sustainability, and accessibility, even as the company faces scrutiny over labor conditions in its global supply chain and the environmental impact of an industry built on perpetual device turnover. You yourself often speak about ethics, equality, inclusion, dignity, and Apple's marketing echoes that. Design for freedom, design for creativity. But many Apple devices are assembled in places where workers have none of these things. At Foxconn's Jeonju plant, it's been reported that workers live under surveillance, that movement is restricted, that dormitories are crowded, monitored and controlled. Some of these conditions seem indistinguishable from the authoritarian systems that Western tech companies claim to oppose, including Apple's own 1984 advertisement. If Apple is truly a leader in ethical technology, what responsibilities come with that leadership towards the workers whose lives make your products possible? I use an Apple laptop, and now I know the labor conditions in which it was likely manufactured, which unsettles me. If Western democracies condemn China's oppression of its people and use fear of that oppression to justify scaling our tech sector with minimal regulation, why do we simultaneously depend on those same oppressed workers in their factories? If our supply chains require forms of human cost abroad that we would never accept on our own soil, what enforceable regulation is needed to lessen the hypocrisy? Respectfully. Our next letter will be to Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Facebook. Thank you to anyone who listened.